You know English but can't speak. Are you afraid of speaking English? If yes, then this video is for you. Guys, let me tell you one thing. This is very common problem that everyone faces. So today in this video, I am going to tell you that how to overcome this fear. So first of all, we have to understand what's the problem, what's the reason behind this fear, because only that is when we will be able to speak English. So the main reason is that we think what people will say if I make any mistake or if I say anything wrong. So this is the reason. Today you have to do one thing, just keeping in your mind that I don't have any fear. I don't have any fear. Say this and start speaking. And also forget about perfection, because mistakes are an absolutely critical part of learning. If you are not making mistakes, it means you are not growing. If you do it with consistently, one day you will get fluency in this language. And with consistent practice, your feelings of fear will disappear over time. That's all I wanted to share with you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.